Hello everyone, welcome in Moni's kitchen. So this is another day that the Lord has made. Thank you for everyone who always support this channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. This video today is about the Jiri John black rice I'm going to make. This is my mushroom, dry mushroom. I check on it if it doesn't have any dirt, and I am going to let it boiling. So this is the water of it, and the bean I'm using, it's a pigeon beans. It's cooking right there in the stove, and I mix it with some lima beans, but you can use any beans you want. And I'm going to put some shrimp on it, but it's optional. You can use shrimp or you can leave it without it. After I clean my shrimp, and now I'm starting cooking the rice. I put the oil in the this pot right there, and after it's warm a little bit, and I start putting my shrimp to cook. And now after I put my shrimp, I'm going to put all the spicy on it. All the épices. I'm going to use like Haitian épices. If you watch my video before, you know all the ingredients I've been using in all my rice. I use 2 spoons of Haitian épices. I use 1 cup of oil. So everything right there, this is my Haitian épices. I just add it, and I'm going to mix it very well. And I'm going to add a little bit Maggi, the vegetables, Goya Maggi pack. That's what I'm using. And then after it's finished to fry, and I'm going to take the shrimp out to continue to do the process of the cooking. But the beans, I let it cook for like about 15 minutes or more, depending what kind of beans you have. And then I add a little bit adobo on it. So, and then the dry mushroom too, I let the dry mushroom boiling for about 15 minutes too, and then I blend it, and I use the strainer. I strain it. I take the water of the black mushroom after I blend it, and I'm going to put everything in the pot right there. So now it's time for me to take the shrimp out. After I let it steam, I take it out. So after I finish to take it out, now I'm going to add the beans to it. And family, don't forget to send me any comment, so let me know if you understand my explanation. So now I'm going to add the beans. I took the water out of the beans. So I took the water out. So now I'm frying the beans. Like, as you can see already, I already add all the épices I want to put in my rice. And this is the garlic powder I'm using. Maybe half tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm putting maybe half tablespoon of adobo on it too, because I'm not gonna put salt, but I'm using the adobo. And then I mix it, and then I'm going to add a can of coconut water. But before I add the coconut water, I am letting the beans steam a little bit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now it's time to add the black mushroom water. So harvest it, family, just relax. And I add the coconut water, and then I add hot pepper, thyme, bouquet clove, and let it boiling. So now this is my rice. I am washing the rice very well until the water is white. This is a brown rice. See, the water is white now. Because if you don't wash it well, the smell in the rice, I don't really like it. So that's why I have to make sure I'll clean my rice. I wash it very well. So now I'm testing the water to see if it doesn't need any salt, because remember I did not add salt. So yeah, I'm adding a little bit salt right now because it didn't have any salt. So I mix it and then taste it again. But it's up to you. You know how much salt you eat. You can add salt to your preference. So now I am adding my rice to the water. So family, let me know where you're watching this video, and always let me know how well you understand all my explanation. So please do not pass this video without not saying anything. Your comment is really important to me. That's how I know if you understand. So this is after I put the rice. Now I mix it, and you know I don't have no exact measure for the rice. I just add it and I let the spoon stick to it. If the spoon stay on it, it does not fall down. So I know this is the right amount of water. This is the right amount of rice I put on it. So now I'm going to add the butter. This is from Caribbean store. I bought it. Or you can add any margarine butter you like. So now this is the rice is cooking right now, and it's about to dry. It's time. Now I add the shrimp to it. Remember, I took the shrimp out of it. Now I add the shrimp back, and then I just mix it a little bit. I'm not gonna let the water all dry all the way because it's brown rice. So since this cover, it's really fit the pot, so I don't have to add no aluminum foil. And my rice, it is done, family. It is done. Remember, I put a little bit bell pepper on it too. I put the leaves, bay leaf. So I'm taking all the seasoning I put, and I don't want it. I take the hot pepper off. So because nobody don't want it, and you don't want it mixed, broken in the rice, especially the hot pepper. This is my bell pepper. I'm not gonna take the bell pepper off. I am going to let it stay. And my rice is done, family. Do not forget, family, send me any comment and tell me how well you understand my explanation. And this is my rice, and this is me sitting down, enjoying my time and eat my dinner. So go ahead, family, try this rice. It is really very good and very soft and very tasty. Go ahead and try it and let me know how you understand this food. And this is my fried chicken. I'm eating, I'm enjoying. This time my husband was not with me, so I enjoy myself. Yes, family, don't forget to like this video. Put your thumbs up for me so I can make more video, and share it to your friend, to your social media. And God bless you. Just remember, Jesus loves you. If you did not have a friend with Jesus, go and be a friend with Jesus. He is the reason you know me. And this is my fried chicken, plantain, pickles. All this meat was cooking the same time. And this is my rice right there. Bye, family. God bless you.